To make simple and delicious pancakes, you will need 1 cup of milk, 1½ cup of flour, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all dry ingredients together. I prefer to use baking powder quenched with vinegar. Then combine all liquid ingredients, milk and egg. Add liquid ingredients to dry ingredients. Mix everything until smooth so there are no lumps. Grease preheated fryer pan with a little bit of oil. You can start baking your pancakes on a medium heat. They cook pretty fast. When you see almost entire surface of a pancake is covered with bubbles, you can turn them over. Give another side 2-3 minutes to cook and take them out. Spread the pancakes with the butter. This pancake recipe is based on milk and requires no oil to bake them. Below this video I will leave the link to another delicious type of pancakes based on buttermilk. Also, you can try almond flour pancakes for healthier option. The link for this video I will leave below as well. Thank you for visiting Katie's Kitchen. Come back again for simple and delicious recipes.